We're all here for different missions. If God I make you fix my life, I don't GV up already.
If this is the first time seeing this face on your screen, then kindly hit the subscribe button to join the family. Don't spend thousands of cedis on an iPhone before checking these 5 things. First, go to the settings, general, about, you go down, you get a copy of the IMEI or the ICCID, preferably the IMEI, as you can see. So you copy it quickly, head to your browser. There are a lot of sites that actually check IMEI, but what I normally use is the IMEI checker. Some of these websites are not free. Some will demand you to pay a little fee before they give you access, but I prefer to use the IMEI checker. Okay, so I paste in my IMEI code once the website opens, and then I check the IMEI. Okay, so as you can see, it shows that this is an iPhone XS Max. The model region, SIM configuration, nano SIM plus eSIM. Alright, so usually if you need more information about it, you have to use the paid ads. That's when you get the extra information about it being blacklisted or not blacklisted and so on. But this at least gives you assurance that the iPhone is actually from Apple and not a replica. Most important thing to know is the battery health. So that gives you an idea of how strong your battery. As you can see, this is 68%. So if you're buying a phone which is 68% battery health, I won't advise you get it. I advise you get a higher battery health, or better still, negotiate for a better price so you can probably replace the battery or whatever you want to do. All right, let's go. We move to another quality which is called the True Tone. Quickly, you drag up the top right corner of your screen, you hard press the brightness, you see True Tone down there. True Tone neutralizes the screen light so that it's not harmful for your eye. So as you can see, if your True Tone is working, that gives some assurance that the screen hasn't been changed before. Next thing is the Face ID. You check if the Face ID works. That should give you an idea of whether the phone has probably been in water, fallen in water, or anything else, as you can see. So you check on your Face ID if you like what you see and if it works perfectly. As you can see, mine is working perfectly. Then you're good to go. Then you check if any parts have been replaced. Usually, if any parts have been replaced, you see a notification right up here that maybe unknown battery, like this phone here. Recently we changed and replaced the battery for this phone, so you can see that it says here unverified, although the maximum capacity is 100%, but it shows that the battery has been replaced. Now, which iPhone should you buy in 2026? If you'd ask me, I would advise you go for the newer models, because the previous models have started facing some form of depreciations. When you look at the iPhone 13, the iPhone 14, 15, a year ago definitely will not be the same as now when it comes to pricing. The pricing has depreciated a lot. So to get the value of your money, I advise you purchase newer models like the 16 series, the 17 series. The iPhone 18 series too is almost as if launching period. So you can as well as just wait for the 18 and save and wait for the 18 and get it once and for all. Now when it comes to the camera, I'll prefer the 16 Pro Max camera as compared to the 17 Pro Max, although the 17 also has its peaks, although you'd have to be an expert to get to know the settings of the camera, whether you're supposed to use the HD, 4K and so on and so forth. The battery performances, that's when you opt for the Pro Max. The Pro Max of all the iPhone models have perfect battery, higher performance, good value for money. Best for students, best for business owners, I advise. Now, what can 5,000 Ghana cedis get you in Ghana here? 5,000 Ghana cedis can get you an iPhone 16. Yes, it's 5,000 Ghana cedis. A pre-owned iPhone 16 for 5,000 Ghana cedis, 128 gig, factory unlocked, 128 gigabyte eSIM locked. If you want the eSIM unlocked, you probably have to up your game to around 6,000 to 6,500 Ghana cedis. So yeah, that's good value for money. You can also get the previous versions like the iPhone 13 Pro and the normal 13 series, normal 14 series for the 5,000 Ghana cedis. Big mistakes Ghanaians make when buying phone is they look at the physical condition of the phone. Now, looking at the physical condition of the phone doesn't prove anything at all. They ignore battery health, they don't check the Face ID, the storage, buying from untrusted sources. If you need an iPhone to buy, I will recommend you come to Touch of Originals, best quality electronics in Ghana here. We sell, we buy, we swap. This is where you need to be on a normal day. We also have warranties designed for our customers to improve best customer services. Another thing you should also check with regards to your phone before purchasing is the camera test inside the shop. So you turn on your camera, you take a selfie, you check the portrait, the zoom, the video stabilizer, and you check the low light, highlights, get to know, explore all those. If all those things are in good conditions, that's also a plus that your iPhone works perfectly. Then you check your storage. Are you someone that needs more storage? 128 gig, is it enough? Or you opt for 512? Whether it's a used phone, as in it has been used before, pre-owned, or it's a brand new. Some of the used phones comes with their pros and cons. That's why it's good to buy from legit sources. But at least when you're buying a brand new phone, you know that you're safe. But some of the phones that are in the system today, some come from other continents, some come from other countries. Like we have the Dubai version, we have the American version, and all that, so on and so forth. So which one are you cool with? But most of us, we prefer the American version because some of the Dubai phones comes with its pros and cons. Moving forward, some of the hidden iPhone features most people don't know, like the back tap, live text, action button, focus mode, battery optimization, and so on and so forth. Touch of Originals started being in service in Ghana here. That was 6 years ago when God made this beautiful dream came true. Kindly follow Touch of Originals on all social media platforms. Let's go. One very interesting topic in Africa in general and Ghana in particular is every single citizen wants an iPhone, whether he or she has the means to own one or doesn't. He or she just wants to own an iPhone. Now, someone will ask, what causes this in Africa? Now, the truth of the matter is status. Okay, status is the truth of the matter. And usually you find that, those that have the means to get it, when they get it and they flex in town, and people get to see the phone, movie stars buy it, it brings some form of, envy. You want it, you say, oh no, if I got this iPhone 17 Pro Max, I would want to own one. And Africa is a harbor for a lot of fraud boys and scammers, and these guys bring in this phone in their numbers. Some dash it to their girlfriends, their family members, their friends. So the phone gets to flood into the country and then the economy. I quite remember last year when the iPhone 16 model was launched. I mean, within a week after it was launched, it was all over town. You go to Circle and it was all over town. People are holding the phone here and there. Now, also another point is that the businesses love to use the iPhone because of its compatibility. The content creation, the content creation guys, the YouTubers also like to use the iPhone for its camera. Social media personnel, security usually, because of how they have strong encryption, resale value. Because for instance, if you purchase a phone this year, a year later it only gets to depreciate by just a very, very small percentage. So that also makes people get the value.
Even long life without money is useless.
Subscribe to ADGOC for practical technology.
At what age future they start a bet? Now only my imagination they make me up.
See you on our next.
I lost many things, all in the name of family battles that I know nothing about. Despite how prayerful I am, I saw love on their face, 1 or 2. Me, I done the 7 and 8. What stopped you last year won't stop you this year. After this life makes nobody born me again. Some of us don't even get work. We come to this life to praise God.